Bay windows have long been admired for their elegance, light-enhancing qualities, and ability to add dimension to a home. But today's homeowners are no longer limited to standard configurations. Custom bay window designs offer flexibility in shape, size, and finish, allowing you to create a feature that perfectly fits your home's style and layout. For homeowners in Austin, custom bay window options provide a beautiful way to enhance both curb appeal and everyday living spaces. Understanding the appeal of bay windows extend outward from the home, typically combining a large center window with two angled side panels. This projection adds architectural interest and increases interior depth. In Austin residences, bay windows often become focal points in living rooms, dining areas, or primary bedrooms. Their ability to bring in abundant natural light makes them both functional and visually striking. Choosing the right window configuration. Custom bay windows can be tailored in terms of panel size and angle. Some homeowners prefer wider center panel for unobstructed views, while others opt for evenly sized sections for balanced symmetry. Austin homeowners benefit from design flexibility that aligns with their specific layout. Custom configurations ensure the bay window complements the home's proportions rather than overwhelming the facade. Selecting frame materials and finishes. The frame material and finish significantly impact the overall appearance of a bay window. Homeowners can choose finishes that match interior trim or create contrast for added character. In Austin homes, custom frame options allow for a seamless transition between existing architectural features and the new bay window design. Enhancing interior space with built-in features. One of the most appealing aspects of a bay window is the added interior space it creates. Many homeowners choose to incorporate built-in seating, storage, or decorative ledges within the extended area. For Austin residences, this design option turns the bay window into a functional feature, whether used as a cozy reading nook or a display area for decor. Maximizing natural light. Custom bay windows can be designed to optimize natural light based on the home's orientation. Adjusting the size and angle of the panels helps control how light enters the room throughout the day. Austin homeowners often find that custom designs brighten interior spaces more effectively than standard window styles. Balancing style with practical needs. Every home has unique structural considerations. Custom bay windows can be designed to work within those limitations while still achieving the desired look. In Austin homes, this means homeowners can enhance architectural beauty without compromising structural integrity or room layout. Integrating ventilation options. Side panels of a bay window can be designed as operable units, allowing for ventilation while maintaining the window's signature appearance. Austin residents appreciate the ability to combine fresh air with elegant design, creating comfortable and functional living spaces. Improving curb appeal. A thoughtfully designed bay window enhances exterior appearance instantly. The projection adds dimension and sophistication to flat walls. In Austin neighborhoods, custom bay windows help homes stand out while maintaining harmony with surrounding properties. Adding long-term value. Custom upgrades often contribute to lasting property value. Bay windows improve light, interior usability, and exterior appeal, all desirable features for homeowners and potential buyers alike. Austin homeowners who invest in custom bay window design enjoy both immediate visual impact and long-term value benefits. A personalized architectural upgrade. Custom bay window design options allow homeowners to move beyond standard solutions and create something tailored to their space. For residents in Austin, custom bay windows provide a unique opportunity to enhance natural light, expand interior functionality, and elevate architectural character. By tailoring the design to match both style and structural needs, homeowners can create a stunning focal point that adds comfort, beauty, and lasting value to their residences.